wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cookbooks for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, those who eschew meat from their diets will appreciate The New Vegetarian for its plant-based repasts and relevant techniques. Not only does it work to demystify the practice and guide newcomers through the lifestyle, but it also provides ways to present dishes with flair. There's a segment on tempeh and tofu and is very comprehensive. However, some feel it's a boring read. At number 9, written by a father who realized his son was about to leave for college woefully underprepared in the cooking department, 12 Recipes is both illuminating and deeply personal. After reading it, home chefs will have a strong repertoire of skills and plenty of confidence. It's written in a warm and humorous tone and includes beautiful illustrations by artists, but the layout is rather impractical. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're the type who needs to understand the why before the how, then The Science of Good Cooking will be beneficial for you. By breaking down and explaining the core principles, it showcases why ingredients behave in certain ways when you manipulate them. It's based on decades of research and includes experiments to back up each concept. However, it is pretty scant on visuals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cookbooks for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, penned by the iconic Julia Child, The Way to Cook first teaches the basics, then builds on them to show chefs in training how to vary a recipe to suit their needs. It's abundant with fish and poultry courses, creative desserts, and plenty of instructive, vibrant pictures. It's full of special tricks and hacks and makes a good reference for pros too, but it can be daunting for true beginners. Moving up our list to number 6, a cult favorite rife with personality and plenty of humor. Cravings by Chrissy Teigen makes learning to knock up an imaginative variety of sinful repasts a light-hearted experience. It features meals for a host of occasions, like date night, solo dinners, and parties. It includes family Thai recipes and is great if you love chili and spices. However, be aware that it contains some profanity. Halfway up our list at number 5. For the art of simple food, chef and restaurant owner Alice Waters shines a spotlight on straightforward dishes that harness the power of locally sourced produce and seasonal ingredients. Her philosophy is that the perfect meal is balanced in texture, color, and flavor. It advocates for ethically raised meat and is well thought out and detailed. The instructions are easy to follow. At number 4, much beloved by generations of rookie foodies, Joy of Cooking not only describes how to steam, deep fry, saute, braise, and roast without issue, but it also includes an exhaustive Know Your Ingredients section and even explains how to set a table properly. It touches on jellies and preserves and contains activities for kids as well, along with a portion dedicated to healthy eating. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Based on its popular interactive online course, The America's Test Kitchen uses a textbook approach to educate students on a litany of indispensable core techniques and employs thousands of full-color photos to show readers exactly how to complete the recipes step by step. It includes tips for using mixers and explains what can go wrong, plus it demonstrates proper knife care. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cookbooks for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a perennial tome that's likely resting on one of your grandmother's shelves already. Better Homes and Gardens has long been a trusted resource for millions of home cooks. Now in its 16th edition, it covers everything from canning and grilling to flavoring basic staples. It's been in print for over 50 years and offers tons of variations, along with more than 1,000 photographs. And taking the top spot on our list. In How to Cook Everything, veteran food journalist Mark Bittman does away with complicated techniques and expensive equipment and instead focuses on teaching newbies to channel the fundamentals into delectable dishes that are worthy of serving to your friends and family. It uses a straightforward writing style and champions common ingredients. It boasts a whopping 2,000 recipes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Cookbooks for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video.